On some phones or tablets, you may not be able to install the Google Meet app. To get around this, I suggest using the browser. To use the browser, you will have to force the browser to use the desktop mode. Each browser is different, but generally, you would tap the overflow menu and tap Request Desktop Site or Desktop Version. Here's how to use the desktop version for Meets. In the browser, sign in to your classroom at classroom.google.com. Go to the relevant classroom. Then, tap on the overflow menu to enable the desktop site. The page may refresh and look similar to how it looks on a desktop or laptop. Then tap on the link to the Meet. This should open the Meet in a new tab, just like what happens on the desktop. Remember to allow Chrome permission to use the microphone and camera. Alternatively, in the classroom, long press the link to the Meet and copy the link. Then, enable the desktop site. Paste the link you copied into the address bar and go to the desktop site for Meet.